Hi everyone, I'm welder Crystal. Look at this pipe, this special semiconductor joint. As you can see, this one is very narrow, so the general weld hand cannot weld it. And we customized this special XD-8H welding hand for it. It's very suitable. It can weld semiconductor pipes with diameters from 3.175 to 50.88 mm. It can meet the exterior inspection standard after welding. Now let's begin to weld. And we fill the argon gas into the pipe to ensure that the inner wall will not be oxidized and sugar. And the other one we need to close and dig a hole to balance the pressure in the pipe and start the button. The whole welding process takes about 1 minute, and you can go work on the other pipes. Now let's take a look at the effect after welding. Since this is a custom sample, I want to cut it to show the effect of the weld on the inner wall of the pipe.